One of the fastest eggs you'll ever see. Find out how to make it here on Gary's Stuff. Hi, I'm Gary, welcome to my channel and welcome back if you've been here before. Today is building day on the kit of the week. This week the kit is the SR-71 Blackbird in egg scale from Hasegawa. Now if you've got one of these already and you want to know how to put it together, this is very much the video for you. If you're interested in a bit of history of the aircraft and indeed what other kits are available, then there's already a history video online. And of course, if you're just thinking about buying one of these, want to know what you get for your money, then there is a box opening video already available as well. Now, if you like anything you see here, please do remember to give it the imperial thumbs up on the like button below, because every like counts. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, do please remember subscribe to the channel and hit that bell and you'll be notified of all my future releases as they are made available. If you'd like to support the channel in a slightly more concrete way, you can do that through Super Thanks, by becoming a channel member, or indeed by using any of my online partner programs. Or you could, like Mark Saunders, send me a kit to make. Thank you very much for this, Mark. Okay, let's get a move on then, and I'll show you how I built this SR-71 in egg scale from Hasegawa. Right, so to start off with, I've sprayed some primer on the whole thing. The interior is grey, the seat is olive green, the instrument panel is black, and I've put in the decal for the instruments. And now I can put the transparency on for the canopy. Like so. Whilst that is setting, we can start making the engine pods and the outer wings. The exhausts go on the back, like so. The inlet cones go on, like so. And then the fin for this engine goes on, and that cants very strongly inwards, like so, you can see. Yeah. Now do the same, but for the other half as well. Once the canopy is in place, we can just put the two fuselage halves together, like so. I'm going to spray paint this kit, so I need to put paper masks over the bits I want to stay clear. Of course, if you're brush painting, you don't need to do this. When the pieces are set, you can add the engine pods to the sides of the fuselage. Then the kit is pretty much ready for paint. I'll use an all-over black primer first, then a coat of black paint on top. There is one last tiny piece to go on top here. I've no idea what this is supposed to be, but it goes in there anyway. One of the sort of defining characteristics of the SR-71 is this triple wheel undercarriage, which they have, of course, modelled on the egg plane. So you have a central bogie and just glue the two outer wheels to it. So it goes painted all over black now. So I'll leave the masks on for the moment, and next I'll put the decals on. And when they're all done, I'll give the whole thing a coat of matte varnish, because these things were matte. Then after that, I'll paint the jet exhausts. Now, for putting on the decals, I really do suggest you use some setting solution on these because these are occasionally quite sort of strange curves, and we want the decals to fit nicely. Once the decals have dried, I give the whole thing a coat or two of matte varnish. Then I can add the wheels. These go into slots on the bottom of the fuselage. There's an undercarriage door that fits into a small slot on the fuselage and rests against the gear leg. With those done, I'll add the nose wheel, which slots in here. Then just take off the canopy masks and we're done. Look, you all know I love an egg kit. I think they're fun. I think they're therapeutic. I think they're great for just getting your mojo back and great for practicing stuff like getting the mixture right on the matte varnish for the first time in ages. I just enjoyed the build. I enjoyed it. It went together very nicely, very, very straightforward. All the parts are good, decals are nice. It just makes a fun kit of a really exceptional aeroplane. Maybe it's not that complimentary, but it captures the basics of the design quite nicely. And you know what? I think it's an affectionate tribute to one of the greatest planes that's ever flown. I really loved making it. Well, that's that then. What an enjoyable little kit to make. I love an egg kit. I think they've just got so much humour, but they're great mojo builders. If you're feeling a bit with the hobby, a bit run down, a bit out of ideas, feel a bit flat, then build an egg kit because I think they're just hilarious. They give you a lot of joy. They give you good results with relatively little input, and I just think they get you ready to tackle something else straight away. I know it does. It works for me. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed the show. If you have, do please remember Imperial thumbs up on the like button below because every like counts. And if you haven't done so yet, please do subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell and you'll be notified of all my future videos as they are released. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again very soon. Take care now and goodbye.